Hi, Tony Fennell, Prime Motor Cars. My cell is 978-764-1232. Want to show you this 2021 M2CA4X. So it's a 21 Mercedes-Benz 2500 cargo van, high roof, 4x4 with a 6-cylinder diesel engine. And you can see the beautiful chrome emblem in the front of the grille. This one happens to be Selenite Grey. Has the beautiful black finish painted wheels with the Continental winter tires on it, which you can run 24/7. So these back doors will open up 270 degrees, just about kiss the quarter panels. There's a bush right here, so yeah, we can slide it right over the bush. You can see the Mercedes-Benz Hitch right back here, the 7-prong trailer wiring, a handle right here at the right rear. A lot of room, a lot of space, high roof, hardboard paneling, the wood floor with the 6D rings. This one's very well equipped. You'll see the dashboard, the multimedia, I believe it's a 7-inch touchscreen on this one. We'll come around. Check that door out. Another handle right here at the B-pillar. The black leatherette, nice touch here at the armrest. Heated seats. Swivel seats. The 7-inch MBUX Multimedia. Thanks again, Tony Fennell, Prime Motor Cars, 978-764-1232. Let me go over all the details with you. Give me a call. Thanks.